Hello everyone, my name is Sadia S. Indikar and this is my final presentation for my summer internship under the guidance of Professor Syed Nooreen. Before I begin, let us look on the contents of today's session. First of all, we'll look on the objectives of internship, the company where we have undergone this internship, project that we have worked on in this company, tasks assigned to us, technologies that we have used to accomplish those projects, skills that we have learned during this internship, results of observations that we gain in this internship, challenges that we have faced during this internship, knowledge that we gain, and the application of knowledge. So, first of all, let us know what are the objectives of internship. Internship helps students to improve their personality attributes such as getting better oral and written communication, time management, and project management skills. Internship is a process of training by which interns can develop their future job performance. It is essential to acquire proficiency in the job. Training which intern gets during the internship improves knowledge and skills which helps their performance turn excellent. It provides practical education through which interns can acquire more knowledge of the job and skills associated with efficient performance of their job. It helps them to modify knowledge and skills, that is what students know and how they work. Thus, internship program is an act of imparting or improving knowledge and skills of a student which they learn in the form of theory. Internship is virtually a practical training of the theoretical knowledge. Once done with the internship, intern gets opportunities to start the career in the preferred areas. At the same time, intern can improve good network with the employer of the corporation who offer them internship program. Looking into this, my summer internship was with iGeeks Technologies. iGeeks Technologies is a complete IT service and solutions company established by the core software and business professionals to cater the needs of IT dependent society. This company was established in the year 2009. iGeeks is specialized in software development and healthcare applications. Some of the products developed by iGeeks are iPrism and eChart. iGeeks provides training solutions in IT, professional life skills, corporate trainings, vocational skills, and communicational skills. iGeeks' expertise in training delivery and education process management makes it the most preferred training institute. Clients receive value from the pragmatic approach to an engagement rather than a cost-based model or a purely process-driven model. Some of the clients of iGeeks are HCL, IBM, and Amino. So, project worked on. The project we have worked on in this company is movie sentiment review analysis. First of all, let us know what is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, deals with analyzing the emotions and classifying the opinions from the text. Sentiment analysis finds and justifies the sentiment of a person with respect to a given source of content. With the rapid development of web technology, a huge amount of data is being generated. Social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram are gaining a lot of popularity as they allow users from different parts of the world to share their views upon various topics through comments, posts, tweets, and tags. This sentiment analysis refers to the use of natural language processing, text analysis, and computational logistics. So let us know what is movie review. Movie review are an important way to gauge the performance of a movie. While providing numerical or statistical rating to a movie tells, tells us the success or failure of a movie quantitatively. Sentiment analysis is mainly concerned with the identification and classification of opinions. It is broadly classified into two types. The first one is knowledge-based approach, and the other one is machine learning techniques. First approach requires a large database of preferred emotions and an efficient knowledge representation for identifying opinions. On the other hand, the machine learning approach makes use of training dataset and a test dataset to develop classifier. It is rather simpler than knowledge-based approach. In this project, we aim to use sentiment analysis on a set of movie reviews given by reviewers and try to understand what their overall reaction to the movie was. That is, if they liked the movie or if they hated it. Tasks assigned to us. The tasks were divided into three parts. It was front-end development, back-end development, and testing. Front-end development, such as using tools such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and so on. Back-end development, we have used Python and machine learning. Testing, using Python. Technologies that we have used to accomplish those projects. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we use these three for the front-end development. Flask is used as a web application framework which is written in Python. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language which is used for backend. And few libraries such as NumPy, Pandas are used in this project. Skills that we have learned during this internship. First of all, Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use of scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python and R programming language for scientific computing that aims to simply package management and deployment. Jupyter Notebook. The Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that we can use to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and text. Data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structured and unstructured data. Big data is a field that trades ways to analyze, systematically extract information from, or otherwise deal with data sets that are too large or complex to be dealt with by traditional data processing application software. Machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. This is an example of how we can download and combine movie reviews and then read them into Python. First of all, we download and combine all these movie reviews and then read them into a CSV file and then classify them into training dataset and testing dataset. Once the classification is done, we convert each review to a numeric representation, that is vectorization. After this conversion, we build a classifier using support vector machines, then load the model. Once the model is loaded, it will be easy for us to predict the output. This is a front page of our project, in which we can check whether the given review is positive or negative. Here we enter the movie name and movie review. Once the submit button is pressed, it displays us the output whether the review is positive or negative. This is an example where we enter a movie name and a review. Once the submit button is pressed, it predicts the output as positive review. And this is an example of negative review. Results or observations that we gain through this internship. It experience. One of the recurring themes in any entry-level job search is lack of experience. That is, where do I get experience if no one is willing to hire me? The answer is simple: get an internship. Internship helps us to gain experience. It also allows us to learn new skills and add to our knowledge base while gaining confidence in our abilities. It provides opportunities to practice communication and teamwork skills. Internship provides evidence that we have an initiative and are reliable and have a work sense of responsibility. We can apply some of the ideas learned in college and provide a bridge between college and the professional world. Achieve a sense of accomplishment by contributing to an organization. Challenges that we face during this internship: understanding teamwork, understanding office culture, time management, and competitive co-interns. Understanding teamwork is one of the biggest internship problem or an internship challenge because teamwork in the professional sector is a lot different than your project adversity. So this is a big challenge. Understanding office culture. It takes time to understand the office culture. Since every organizational culture varies from office to office, some have a rigid structure while others have flexible. Time management. In professional workspace, late submission isn't acceptable and hence managing time can be really difficult for us. A balance between work, academics and personal life also seems to be challenging. Competitive co-interns. The co-interns are high-spirited and really work hard. Here we feel intimidated as we didn't expect our interns to be so competitive. So this becomes a big challenge. While we go for some internship, is that we gain some knowledge. Here, like we gain flexibility, flexible to work in any time or in any area. Leadership skills that we take through while completing the projects. Interpersonal skills, how to interact with the clients and so on. Punctuality in all aspects, keep us updated. Application of the knowledge. Whatever the knowledge we gain through an internship, we, we need to apply it somewhere. So this can be helpful for us in job selection, such as it helps us to find uh, a better job in the future or a job for which we are fitted. Internship keeps us updated. Learning regularly new skills keeps us more updated. And also we learn or we can apply this in our jobs while managing the time and project skills. Thank you.